Hello guys, this is SNL here and welcome to my new tutorial in which we are going to learn how to create black and white threshold effect. So before we start, make sure to subscribe our channel. Let's begin our tutorial. The first thing we will do is that we will import our photo into the Photoshop. Then unlock the photo by double clicking on the layer. After that, select quick selection tool and start selecting your desired photo. In this case, I will select myself. I will recommend you to use pen tool for more precise selection. Alright, when selection is completed, go to the image menu and select threshold. Change the levels until you get a clear black and white image. Hit OK. After that, go to the select menu and click on color range. Decrease the fuzziness to 0, hit OK. Now create a new image of 1920 into 1080 with resolution of 300 pixels. Hit OK. Drag and drop your selected photo into it. Click on new adjustment layer icon and select gradient. Change gradient color to black and white. Change angle to 0, style to radial and scale to 200. Then select reverse to create light silver background. Hit OK and boom, it's done.